Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2013 government past question. Question number 10 says the judiciary controls the executive in federal state through dash. Judiciary controls the executive in the federal state through dash. That is the process or the means by which judiciary control the executive arm is by which process. Option A say motions, which is no. Option B say delegated legislation, which is no. Option C say judicial overview, which is no. But judicial review. So judiciary always review the activities of the executives. So it is through judicial review. So option D is correct. Thank you and kindly subscribe for more of our videos.